Now, it will interest you to know that the observance of World Leprosy Day was started in 1953 by a French humanitarian, Raoul Folariot. Raoul dedicated many years to raising funds to helping those affected by the disease. Now, in Nigeria, 3,500 cases, new cases rather, are recorded annually. These cases are higher in the northern part of the country. You will also like to know that leprosy is curable, but why the Nigerian state has not been too committed in taking care of this is one big question waiting for answers. I have here with me a missionary that has been working with those affected by leprosy. What is the issue? Why is the Nigerian government not committed really in taking care of this case?
Some few years ago, there was a WHO standard rating for nations that are endemic, and Nigeria was ruled out amongst those endemic nations at that time. Because lots of efforts had been put in to confront the challenges of leprosy. So some of the things that occurred was that we saw a reduced number of cases that now brought Nigeria on that platform among the nations that have almost eradicated leprosy. The government now turned its attention on other more popular areas of concern. For example, AIDS, TB, and malaria. And so because of that is why we see the low level of government's attention. Leprosy is curable, and we encourage people to come out early, because when people come out early and they are treated, you won't find those cases of deformities that you see.
There are attempts at creating leprosy camps, like the one we have somewhere in Abuja, the Yangoje, in Kwali Area Council. Now, since its establishment in 2007, there have been issues of poor health, poor medical attention, and poor hygienic condition around. I have here with me siblings of some of those people that are affected by the disease. What are some of the problems you have in this camp?
Now, the problem we have, there is no water. We have a lot of boreholes here, and there is almost six of them already suffering. We have already one here, and even the water, we cannot test the water because the water is already affected by something that we cannot accept to take it. Now we use our money to go inside the Yangoji to buy water, come and keep it here, we make it testing now. Even animal cannot test that water. Even animal cannot test the water now.
Okay. Okay, now on this day of World Leprosy Day, a missionary, a church group is here visiting. Sir, please can you tell me how you've been able to assist this community in addressing some of these challenges?
We have been visiting here even while they were in Durumi, 15 years now, without any break. And for us, mission to lepers was inherited by the church as a church activity. It is no surprise that it is the missionaries that have come from far places to start off what we see as leprosy mission in Nigeria. So our church is also hooked onto that to support this mission, to make sure that we can also assist our own fellow human beings and show them the love of Christ in whatever way we can. That is why we have always come.
As the world marks World Leprosy Day today, it is a call on Nigeria and Nigerians to brace up and face the work that is at hand to do. Abulu Osemahu, AIT News, Abuja.